everyone, I'm Oath, Thai live in the United States. Today I would like to talk about the thing many of you may already know, many of you may not. It is the headphone Bose. This is my husband using most of the time, especially before sleep. And the ear pad very in bad shape, as you see here. I thought about it might have the ear pad replacement selling, but I didn't know it is just only my thought. And then I searched on eBay and I found many sellers selling it, and I bought a pair to replace for him, and they are very cheap because it's not the brand Bose, just random brand in the market. Okay, let's see how easy. This is a package I got on the mail after ordering for 3 days, I guess. And this is the model of the headphone QC25. This is what I get in a package. There are other colors too, like gray, black, and I saw some fancy printed too. So I picked the white because of the headphone color. And as you see, there are the pad left and right underneath of the round thing, the sponge, I guess. And then I don't know how to replace it, and I found some people on YouTube that helped me very much. Then it is very easy to replace it. As you see, the sheet, the round piece, which telling you which one left and right. They already provide a sticker, not sticker, what is that called? The glue, two-face glue stick in it. So we need to take a part of the bad one and throw away. Okay. I keep everything in the Ziploc bag and show my husband before throwing away, and then he said to me, oh, he didn't know that the replacement selling on the market. Okay, I just press the piece of small cloth, I don't know what to call it here, the left and right cover first, and then I put the sponge round on the top, which is fit in the lock, plastic lock. At first I have one fit well and another one doesn't quite fit well, and after my husband using it, it fit completely. Anyway, it looks like we got a new headphone back again. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everybody. Bye.